My advice to anyone who's cutting sheet material is not to waste your time on any other machine than a Striebig and an Alco dust extraction. Hi, I'm Dave Thacker. This is the Morrow Innovation Hub, and we're part of the Morrow Partnerships Group. We manufacture open panel timber frame for our parent company, Morrow Partnerships. We have a timber frame facility which is supplying homes to the affordable market through our parent group, and it's in our control. We are in control of the supply chain. The new Innovation Hub, it's all about getting it right first time. The machines that we have in here are reliable machines which can deliver exactly what they say they can do. I can't afford downtime. I can't afford breakdowns. This is a very small, compact environment. Our choice of machines, it's relatively simple, based on experience and knowledge over the last 20-25 years, and reliability in the supply chain to make sure that when we purchase the right product. Everything drove us towards the Striebig saw. We first came across Striebig and Alco when I met TM Machinery 20 years ago. The main requirement of the saw that we required was for 9mm OSB, 8x4 sheets, 18mm OSB, sheet products that can go into our product. And the requirement was to improve on what was our normal. We can't afford to have a bad cut. We cannot afford to throw materials away. With the Striebig, one of the advantages is its accuracy. We do not have any mistakes. If they are, they're normally a human one in some shape or form. But the machines themselves, they are fabulous. They are right on the mark. One of the advantages of that is our cutting workflow. Previously, everything was paper. Everything's paperless now. We now have a direct line from our design software straight to the Striebig. The advantage of a Striebig saw for my team is very, very simple. They are now capable of doing their work quicker, which will give them more time to develop and innovate the way we do the rest of our job. We have to balance manufacturing. It's a real hybrid of construction and manufacturing, and the flow time through the whole of the factory and the balance that the Striebig gives us is second to none. Its capabilities are far greater than the speed that we're using it. As our efficiencies improve, we will be able to use the full capabilities of the Striebig saw. We knew from TM Machinery the compatibility of the Alco dust extraction was perfect for us. There are many benefits that go with the Alco. First thing was the size. Getting that Alco into the position that we want it on our floor space was hugely important. It's almost like the golden goose. It kept on giving when we put it into place. Since the installation of the Alco dust extraction, we have visibly noticed cleaner air, cleaner environment. It's been wonderful. Safety is paramount in anything we do. The combustion of sawdust in itself has to be monitored. The Alco does that. It was the perfect machine for this environment, and I would recommend it to anyone. The Striebig saw, in line with the Alco dust extraction, gives us a security that however our efficiencies improve, the saws and the extractors are both future-proofed. Maintenance, it's that hidden cost that comes in. The service agreement is very simple. It takes a risk out of downtime. If we don't have it serviced, it breaks down. Now, if we are proactive and we realise that there are wearing parts in any sort of machine, then we can overcome that, and then there is no downtime. The reason I say that is reliability, honesty in the supply chain from TM Machinery, perfectly structured service and maintenance schedules put in place, and a product that is at the upper end of its environment. There is continuous development of the product, which we've seen since our first Striebig saw 20 years ago. Sustainability comes in many forms, in my opinion. If you buy cheap, it's not very sustainable, is it? We need to rely on our machines to be future-proofed. They have to be part of our whole strategy for the business. We are pushing every parameter we possibly can to reach net zero in this factory. If you're still using a manual vertical saw instead of Striebig, you're missing a real trick. It's just a gift that keeps on giving.